Hi, this is Professor Ellen Genovese, and I wanted to provide you with a demo, excuse me, to show you how to use Harmonize for your discussion board posts. Please refer to the course syllabus located under the syllabus tab on the left for the discussion board requirements and grading criteria. Your first Harmonize discussion board post is really easy. You're going to do an introduction, a little bit about yourself, and answer one question. The following demonstration will provide you with some information concerning the requirements for the graded forums. The Harmonized Discussion Board Forum 1 involves the posting of an image. Units 2, 3, and 4 are organized into a pro-con format. This allows you the opportunity to look at both sides of a biological issue. You do not need to agree with a particular position to post a point of view. The questions posed do not have a correct answer. For this demonstration, let's discuss the use of animal testing in drug studies. You will be assigned by your last name alphabetically if your first post is to be a pro or con. So my last name begins with J, and so my initial video post will state 2 benefits of using animals in drug trials. I will then post 2 con posts, reasons why I feel that there isn't a benefit of using animals in drug trials. I have provided you with some references, and this is to give you some reliable sources to use to cite in your discussion board posts. There are certainly other resources that you can use, but this is just to kind of give you a starting point. Your discussion board posts will always have a short video for you to watch to give you some more background information. So if I was to start this, I would just click Create Post. Yeah, you have to give it a name. I don't know. Oh, we're not too original. Animal testing. Hey, funny names give you more reads, right? More students will read your post if you give it kind of a humorous name. So that's always a good thing. Okay. I always like to put my references in the beginning. I know sometimes you get this like double post thing, which you really don't need. You just need them listed once. Because if you say them while you're giving a video post, I mean, it's really hard for students to follow what the URL is. And then if they're hyperlinked, that your classmates may be able to go back and look at the same information that you have. So that's also nice to share information. And if you go down the bottom, you'll see the camera that provides you with the option to record your post. Now, I can't do a recording within a recording because 2 sources are trying to use my camera at the same time, and evidently that's like a bad thing. But here's an idea what I would post. Okay, when it comes to testing drugs on animals, proponents argue that there are several benefits that can contribute to medical advancements in human health. Animal testing allows researchers to assess the safety and efficacy of potential drugs before they're tested on humans. By evaluating how the drug interacts with biological systems in animals, researchers can identify potential risks and adverse effects, which can help prevent harmful consequences in human trials. Studying the effects of drugs on animals helps researchers gain a better understanding of the biological mechanisms involved in disease and drug actions. Animals share many genetic and physiological similarities with humans, making them valuable models for studying disease processes and potential treatments. This knowledge can lead to insights into new therapeutic targets and the development of more effective drugs. Okay, so I would record that, hit publish. Right? You will see all your classmates when they have their posts become available for you to reply to. If you click on someone's name, you can listen to their video, you can see the sources that they use. I'm replying to myself, which you would not normally do. Okay, and then you can add a comment. Again, you want to provide your references. Let's see. I just find it like a really good idea to kind of type things up in Word before going to record them. So I'm just like copying my source. Ooh, this one's nice. It gave you a link. Sorry, I'm excited about that. Okay, so sometimes you'll get the whole link. Sometimes you just click on the hyperlink. I guess it depends on how, you have it copied, right? So again, you would hit the video recorder again, right? So my con would be, while animals share certain biological similarities with humans, they also have significant differences. These interspecies variation can limit the predictive value of animal testing for human responses to drugs. Some drugs that appear safe and effective in animals might not produce the same results in humans and vice versa. This discrepancy can lead to unforeseen adverse events in clinical trials and hinder medical progress. Okay, then I would just go back, read through some additional posts of my classmates, and then post the other column, right? Again, you don't need to agree with anyone's side. I mean, you could feel that use of animal testing of any kind is totally wrong, totally negative, but you gotta find some scientific facts. And in all of these situations, even if you feel very strongly they should never, ever use animals, you should be able to find some information that you feel comfortable presenting. And you don't even have to feel comfortable presenting it. You can just say, while I strongly disagree, some proponents of animal testing have found that, and give a cited source. Okay, so doesn't necessarily mean you're agreeing with either side. It's just that the idea is to try to look at both sides of a particular biological issue. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Make sure you email me if you have any questions.